Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of NanoMag tutorial series. In this first video, I will explain to you how to install the template and import the demo data. So let's get started. After you will purchase the theme from ThemeForest, you will get a zip file named NanoMag main files. All you have to do is extract that zip file and you will get a folder. This folder has two other folders. The first one is the documentation. Let's go take a look on it. And I advise you to read it once or twice to understand how the template works, so you won't need to ask me about something and wait for me 24 hours to answer you. Everything is here. You just need to read it. And of course there is this theory which will be helpful too if you are not the kind of person who know how to follow pictures and text. Anyway, the other folder has our template. This is it. Let's open it. This is the template. Now let's go to our Blogger dashboard and create a new blog. This is just a testing blog, so let's name it NanoMag test blog. And choose the simple theme for the now. Create the blog. But if you already have a blog, you just skip this step. You won't need it. I did it for the demo purposes only. Then go to template, edit HTML, and now select all of your templates and copy it. Then go to your blog. If you have a theme before, I advise you to save a backup version in case something went wrong. Well, copy everything. For me, I will delete it because I don't need it. And paste our template. Then save template and give it a couple of seconds to save. After it's done saving, let's view our blog to see how it looks like. As you can see, it's completely empty because we don't have any posts or anything. That's why we are going in the next step to upload the demo data. To do that, go to settings, other, and import content. Check this checkbox to make sure you will upload your files correctly, and then choose the demo data. You will find the link in the description to download it. Now this post has been imported successfully. Let's go take another look on our blog to see how it looks like now. As you can see, the post appeared here, and we have the breaking news. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.